Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to track your macronutrients or track your calorie intake, but opened up MyFitnessPal app and got super intimidated and closed it back down and gave up? I have the solution for you. I am going to show you exactly how to use this app the simplest way without getting too complicated. I'm going to break it all down for you in this video, so make sure you watch right till the end, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to track your macronutrients and track your calorie intake to really achieve your weight loss goals. And just quickly, guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified because I'm releasing new videos every Tuesday. I'm bringing you workouts, fat loss tips, nutrition info, recipes, fit mom tips, all kinds of things to help you on your fitness and weight loss journey. And if you are on a fitness or fat loss journey, make sure you follow me on Instagram too. I'm always sharing daily motivation, workout ideas, nutrition info, what I'm eating in a day to stay lean and stay strong and fuel my body. I'd love to see you guys over there too. Let's get into MyFitnessPal. So I am a huge advocate for knowing what you're putting in your body, knowing what kind of fuel you're giving your body each day, how many calories are going in, as well as, and most importantly, what kind of macronutrients are going into your body. Not so much a fan of starvation diets or anything where you're restricted completely of the foods you enjoy. So what I want to do is show you how to use MyFitnessPal to track what you're eating and really be more aware of the food you're putting into your body. I'm not going to go into detail in this video about how to calculate your calorie intake or your macronutrient percentages, your proteins, your carbs, and your fats to best reach your fitness and weight loss goals, but I've created a 7-page free guide for you guys. So if you want that guide to learn how to calculate your macronutrients and your calories for your body type specifically, click the link in the description and I'll hook you up. So let's get right into it. We're gonna open MyFitnessPal on your phone. So if you haven't downloaded, of course, step one is to download it. I have been using it on and off for quite a long time, so I already have all my goals set up in there. First things first, I'm gonna just give you a little tour. So at the bottom, you see home, diary, progress, and then the 3 little dots. So first things first, let's go to diary. So as you can see at the very top, I have my 2,000 calorie goal in there. Plus I've added some food in here just to show you guys an example. So I have 1,429 calories that I've eaten, and then 571 remaining. So you can see here, this is everything I've eaten, pretended to eat here, and then my water. Okay, so first things first, let's get you guys set up. So in the bottom far right, you're gonna see 3 dots. So MyFitnessPal is actually gonna calculate for you a calorie goal as well as a macronutrient split based on the information you put in. But you can also go in and change that if a coach is giving you certain macronutrients, or you use that free guide that I was talking about to calculate your own. So you're going to go in and hit goals. You're gonna go down to calorie, carbs, protein, fat loss goals. And here, this is where you can change your macronutrients. So carbohydrates, click on that. You know, you can change, use the toggles here, and it'll automatically make sure that you are at 100% for your totals. And then you can also change your calorie goal here. So that's where that will all get set up. So then when you go back into diary, that's where you will see your calorie goal. And then I will show you where you're going to see your macronutrients in a minute. Okay, so the most important part of MyFitnessPal is learning how to add your food into the app. Now, depending on how advanced you are or how serious you are about tracking your calories and really hitting your macros, you can either go in the day before and enter all your meals and snacks for the next day to kind of see where that lies with your calorie intake and your macronutrient percentages. Or some people just like to add as you go, especially when you're learning. It's really good to just add your foods as you go and then keep an eye on those macronutrient split charts, because you're gonna find what a lot of people see is that, wow, I didn't know there were so many carbs in this food. I didn't know this food was high in protein, or I didn't know this. So that's how you're really gonna learn what's in your food and what it's doing to your macronutrient chart, your calorie intake, as well as how it's fueling your body. Okay, so let's go into tracking our food. So we're gonna go into our diary. As you can see, I have the same thing for breakfast every morning, so I have added my breakfast in. Okay, if I have a lunch there too that I've already added as an example. If I wanted to add my dinner, I would just simply click on add food. In here, you can see all of the foods you eat on a regular basis are going to be listed in here. You can also have recipes. So if there's certain protein muffins or anything like that that you eat on a regular basis, you can enter these recipes. All you have to do is hit the plus in the top corner, create a recipe and you would add in all the ingredients there. Also, you can have meals. For example, like I said, I am someone who eats the same thing for breakfast every morning, so you can have it saved in your meals, so it's super easy to add. And then you can have, this is the My Food section, so if there's anything you can't find in MyFitnessPal, which is very, very rare these days, you can hit that barcode scanner and scan the barcode of whatever food you're trying to add. So let's just say for dinner we are searching for chicken. Maybe I had a chicken breast and hit search. So see the verified symbol here is you want to hit verified only. So that means MyFitnessPal has gone in and verified to make sure this is the macronutrients and the calorie in these items are proper. So here I had a grilled chicken breast, 4 ounce. It's already in there and we hit add. Okay, so there it is in my dinner. It's telling me this food's high in protein. So I would just go down the list and continue to add whichever foods I was eating. Next up, if I want to save that dinner as a meal, I would hit the 3 little dots here next to the add food, and then you can go save as meal. And then it's gonna save it in the meals for you. It's as simple as that. And every time after you add your food, you can go down to the bottom and hit nutrition, and then you're gonna see your macronutrient percentages. So there you can look at your goal and is also where you're at compared to your goal. So I say when you're learning, look at this chart after every time you input something, and that's when you're gonna see things change. So remember, this chart is a percentage for your entire day, not just for the meal you just ate. So this is gonna break down what you ate for the entire day. So each meal, it's gonna change and it's gonna rotate. One meal might be higher in carbs, one meal might be higher in protein, that kind of thing. And then continuing on that pie chart, next to the top, it says macros, then it says nutrients. So you can also scroll over. So if you have a specific gram goal, how many grams of protein I want to eat each day, this is where you're going to see that. So you can see just from what I have already put in there, I have a total of 88 grams of protein listed, and my goal is 150 grams. So I know I need to eat a little bit more protein. Okay, and I can see my carbs, my fiber, my sugar, my fat, all those great numbers. That's where you're going to find it. And then the last one is your calorie intake. Okay, and it's that simple to track what you eat every day. This is the free version of MyFitnessPal. So you don't need much more than that when you're just starting out. Like I said, the first step is just being more aware of what you're putting in your body. And each time you track a food, just keep an eye on that bar chart and what's it doing to your macros. Was it higher in carbs, higher in protein? How do you feel after eating these foods? Did you feel more tired? Did you feel more energized? That is step 1. And then obviously you can really, really dial it in when you start to learn more about how to use this app. And I'm just gonna show you one more cool trick because you're thinking, what if I eat out at a restaurant? How do I enter that in MyFitnessPal? Boom, they were thinking ahead. So the cool thing is that most foods and most restaurants are already listed in here. So let's take a look here. If I'm going to, I just hit add food. So I'm gonna add it to dinner. And then I'm going to search, let's say I went to Chopped Leaf, which is a popular healthy eating restaurant here. And again, I'm gonna hit the verified only to make sure that the calorie count is proper. And then let's just say I had a whole bowl. I don't know what that is, but let's pretend I had that and I can add it. Boom. So that is from a restaurant. Easy peasy, just like that. Okay guys, and there you have it. It is that easy to use the MyFitnessPal app, the free version, to learn more about your macronutrients, what you're putting in your body and how it's fueling your body, as well as tracking your calorie intake. It is that simple. It will take 0 time out of your day, but if you're really focused on hitting your fitness and weight loss goals, this is what you want to do at least for a few weeks to get an idea of how to eat, how many calories you're eating each day, and like I say, the most important, what is the quality of those calories you're eating and how is it fueling your body? So just remember, everybody is different. So everybody's calorie intake needs and macronutrient percentages are different. So if you're looking to learn how to calculate the calorie intake that will best suit you and your fitness and weight loss goals, or those macronutrient splits like I showed you how to enter them into the app, make sure you click the link in the description and I will hook you up with my 7-page free guide that I created showing you exactly how to do it just for you. So thanks again for watching, guys. I really hope this helps you learn how to use MyFitnessPal app and really dial in your nutrition and learn more about the fuel that you're putting into your body. If you want some more information about weight loss or workouts, make sure you check out some of my other videos. And again, if you haven't yet, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified because new videos coming to you every Tuesday. I'll see you guys in the next one.